Yo, what's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant, welcome back to the channel, where today I've got a great new feature to show you guys, which has just been added to the PlayStation 5 in a recent update. Now let's just set the scene. Imagine you're playing your favourite PlayStation 5 game and there's maybe a knock at the door, your mum's calling you for tea, whatever it is. You've got to put your PlayStation 5 into rest mode. That would generally consist of you having to press the PS button, getting up the menu and then go into power and then to rest mode. And then you would have had to grab your remote control for your TV and then power that down. But now there is a simpler way of doing this. So with one simple button press of the remote for my TV, I'm going to put it into standby. And with that, also, as you can see, the PlayStation 5 is now going into rest mode. Now let's just say you've walked back in the room and you want to turn it all back on again. Dead simple to do. All you've got to do is press that power button on the remote for your TV. TV will come back into life, and then with any luck, there we go, the PlayStation 5 fires back into life. So to enable this great new feature, all you got to do is go to the settings on your PlayStation 5. Once we're in settings, we're going to go down to system. Once we're in system, go to HDMI. And once we're in there, we're going to go down to enable power off link and we're going to turn that on. Now you're also going to have to change some settings on your TV. So this is an LG OLED, and on this particular model, I'm going to hold down the settings button, go to connection, then to device connection settings, and then Simp Link, turn that on, which will also turn on auto power sync. Now, not only then does it allow you to do what I've just shown you, but now you can also control what's going on screen with the remote for the TV. But please bear in mind that this is for the LG OLED that I'm demonstrating this on at the moment. Obviously, if you've got a different make and model, then you may find that feature somewhere else in the settings, and not all TVs are able to use this function. Well, there you go then guys. Now, if you like that tip, I'd really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, helps promote the video so other people get to see it. And I've got another great tip to share with you guys, but if you want to see that, you're going to have to come back tomorrow and maybe think about subscribing so you get to see more videos like this in the future. So, thanks very much for joining me today. Hopefully, I'll catch you guys on next one. Bye for now.